Hey YouTube friends, the last time I made a video I was talking all about the Big America PL200 Series 2 subwoofer, and obviously judging if you can check my demos, I obviously loved that subwoofer and you guys loved it too. Excellent budget subwoofer, but I also needed some sound for my bedroom, and I decided to acquire some Sony bookshelf speakers from the Core series, and this is the SS-CS5 bookshelf speakers. And I also acquired a Sony receiver, which is the STR DH130 stereo AM/FM receiver to go with the bookshelf speakers. So let me get inside this and let's see what this is all about. All right. Get around here. Okay. I got this on Amazon, by the way. Seems to be pretty well taken care of. Let me get this out. And of course, there you see it. Some documentation. Some in English, a little Spanish, and I believe French. Okay, usual stuff inside the box right there. And let's see what these babies are all about. Whoa. Oh, there it is. Sony logo right there. Let me flip this over. Let me take out the other one and then I'll quickly run through the full specs. Okay, so I removed the cover. And I'm encircling the speaker. Decent binding post right here at the back. Relatively small port here. And as you can see, what's special about these is that they not only come with a regular tweeter and a 5.1 inch driver, but they also come with this tiny little super tweeter right here, and that's supposedly supposed to extend all the way up to, as they say right here, 50 hertz. So really ultra high frequencies. They're high resolution frequencies, and basically these are some pretty basic speakers, but the driver material here, I believe it's mica, and it has a tint of navy blue, which is kind of interesting, somewhat. Sony label there. And this is how it looks with the cover, speaker covers on. Let me remove and reveal it. And there you go. So this is the Sony Core Series bookshelf speaker, the SS-CS5. Stay tuned, I'm gonna have a demo of these and you be the judge.